Hey guys, I'm Anunay and this is how to get the Digital Wellbeing app on OnePlus 6 or 6T. Head to the link in the description. It's a OnePlus Forum website. Open the APK Mirror website, you'll see there. And download the Digital Wellbeing beta app. Get the latest version, whatever it is. Download the APK. Let it finish and install the APK. Now go to the Settings app, go to the Apps and Permissions, and find the Digital Wellbeing app. Give it storage permissions. And now search up usage access and give it permissions for that. Now to add the shortcut, go to the Play Store, search Pixel Shortcuts and install the app. This is completely safe as it's made by a renowned company, the same who made Action Launcher. Now add the shortcut to your app drawer or home screen, whatever you like. And there you go, you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Expect more OnePlus 6T content. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you in any way. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.